Hello everyone, my name is Viral Raval and I am doing an data science and business analytics internship with Sparks Foundation, and I am glad to inform you that I have completed my first internship task, that is prediction using supervised machine learning. So the task given to us was to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours using simple linear regression that included only two variables. So let's get to the coding part. So this is the title of our project file. Then it states the objective to predict percentage of a student based on the hours of study. Details are provided that states the use of simple linear regression task involving two variables, and the dataset could be found on the provided link, and to predict the score if student studies 9.25 hours a day. In the starting phase, we will import the required libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. So here we are executing. Then we will load the data set from the given link. So here we can see the complete data that is given to us. So in this part we are describing the data. So here you can see the count value and the mean, this standard, the minimum and the maximum value provided in the table. So using the student data dot shape, we will find the number of rows and columns present in the data set. Here we are finding the data type information and various required information. So here we are plotting a graph of hours versus score, where hours states the hours studied by student and scores that the student got. So from the above scatter plot, there looks to be correlation between the scores and the hours studied. Let's plot a regression line to confirm the correlation present. So here we are training the model and fitting the model on the training data set. So this is the regression lines formula and plotting for the test data. So here we can see the predicted values given below. So here we are executing the code snippet. Further, we are comparing the actual versus predicted values given below into the table. Further, we are evaluating our model on training data and then on the testing data. So here we can see that mean absolute error is 4.130. So the small value of the mean absolute error states that the chances of the error or wrong forecasting through the model are very less. So then we will predict the score of a student if he studies 9.25 hours a day. So in the solution, we will implement our model by passing the value of 9.25 hours, and the predicted value or score is 93.89 marks. So we can conclude that if a student studies 9.25 hours a day, he will likely score 93.89 marks. So by this, we can successfully conclude that we have predicted the student marks using the supervised machine learning. Thank you.